Alright, this is a video showing you how to fix a dim picture on your newly purchased projector. As I found out, they actually ship projectors with very bad default settings. Especially there's one setting that actually really darkens the image for some reason, and it's not the brightness level. It has nothing to do with brightness, it has to do with the color. I've tried all sorts of things before until I figured it out that it was this one setting that is quite hidden. The projector I bought costs around 500 euros, and who the fuck knows why they do that. I mean, I would suppose for that money you get something that actually fucking works. You can see on the picture, I don't have a good smartphone and its camera is pretty bad, but it actually looks like this in reality. It's just fucking dark. And this is the default settings. I will prove it to you because we're going to reset. Wait. We're going to reset everything here. Reset to default. Now don't be shocked. So, because we get a reverse image. Let's fix this. Yeah. Alright, so default settings. You can barely see anything in this image. It's just dark all over the place. What do we have to do? It's not brightness, it is actually when we go to image settings, all the way to the bottom on the next page, which some might not find. Oh, that's gone. Wait. Image settings, done, color settings, and at the bottom again, color space, and this is set to auto for some reason. Now let's change it to RGB, and wow, just look at the difference. Can see nothing on the default settings. RGB. There are several other settings, I don't know, they are pretty trash, like what the fuck is this pink one? And then we back to auto. But the difference between default settings and RGB. It's just what the fuck, man. Why do they ship it like that? They're fucking idiots. So yeah, fuck those guys.